water. It just continues to roll in.
Crazy.
We still have a ways to go before we get to high tide. We've had gusts as high as 94 miles per hour. Did you hear that? What the heck was that?
We've been predicting this incredibly extreme event, and now what we think we're going to see is the worst storm ever in some locations. Having this hurricane intensifying in the middle of this nor'easter. So who gets hit by this hurricane part is going to have everything that comes with a hurricane.
If water comes up the street, we're out of here.
Everybody else is going to have everything that comes with a monster nor'easter and a part of the hurricane.
The heavy, wet snow really is a concern here, not in the least because there's so much worry about power outages.
So this is going to be just a stunningly spectacular event in the worst possible kind of way.